Hi, welcome back. Today we're doing hot dogs in the air fryer. Super easy, super fast. If you're counting carbs, yes, hot dogs have carbohydrates. This one is 2 carbohydrates per hot dog. All right, so nothing to it really. And this is just the brand that I bought because it was the most affordable at the time. So, do you want to help me? Either one of you? We're gonna preheat the air fryer real fast for about a minute or two. We're gonna turn it all the way up. So I think ours doesn't go to 400, but it goes to 390. Yeah, and we're gonna preheat it for like a minute or two. Yeah, and then we're gonna pop our hot dogs in the air fryer. All right, hold on. All right, our air fryer is almost preheated. We opened up our hot dog so that we're ready to go when it goes off. We got beef franks this time. If you like the pork or the apple hot dogs, chicken apple or whatever they're called, then by all means get those. Do you. Like I said, we got what was the best price at the time. So we're almost done preheating. Here. Just reminding you that there is a tray on the bottom of your drawer. When we're done preheating, we'll pull this drawer out. If you want to keep it clean, put some tin foil around it. But don't cook without it. The tray is there to help the air swirl around the food and cook it from all angles. So hopefully we're almost done. There we go. There's the dinger. All right, who's helping?
I guess I'll do that.
Okay, so let's pull, now that our air fryer is preheated, let's pull it out and we'll put all the hot dogs in there because we're cooking for everybody today. And we are going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Just use your fingers. For about 5 minutes, and then about halfway through, we are going to turn them just to make sure they're cooking evenly all the way around. And we'll get as many as we can in there. We might not be able to get all of them. We might be able to only do 3 at a time. Yep, leaving a little bit of space if you can, because they're rolly. They're hot dogs, they roll. Okay. So, yeah, let's do 3 at a time then. All right. Put it on for 5 minutes, and like I said, we'll flip them around halfway through. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so we're just about halfway through cooking, so we're going to take the drawer out, see how they're doing, flip them over, and put them back in. Ooh, all right. I can tell they're cooking. I can smell them. It's hard because they're rolly. So what are some of the things you do with hot dogs besides put them on buns? Like, we didn't do for long enough, so set it again for about another 2 minutes. This one doesn't have a 5-minute mark. That's why. Anyways, I was saying what kinds of things you do with hot dogs besides put them on a bun or a piece of sandwich bread. We like to put ours in macaroni and cheese. I've heard people put them in spaghetti. We don't, but some people do, I guess. And so yeah, what are some of the things you do with hot dogs? Eat them plain, a little bit of cheese. I can smell them. They're definitely cooking, and they're almost done according to the dial. And because it's a small air fryer, you have to do them 3 at a time, but they cook really, really fast, so You don't have to wait long. There's the dinger. Who wants to take them out?
I guess I'll wait since they don't really know what to make.
Do you want to take them out? All right, just put them on the plate. Look at them. They look done. They smell done. Oh yeah, they're definitely done. They're sizzling a little bit. All right, and there you have it. We have some hot dogs from the air fryer. They smell good. I wish you had smell-o-vision. All right, until the next time.